Hi there, it's Greg King and welcome to my video on make money on YouTube without making videos. How much are you spending on Google Ads anyways? So in this video, I'm going to share with you what stops most people in having a very successful online business, and that's money. And that's actually, well, everything revolves around money that way. But this is how you can actually spend as little as you can up front and still get bona fide hot buyers to your affiliate site or your service or your product. Now, before we get going, you're probably going to see my lips, but you're going to see this red dot right here. It was a tough one. I actually had a battle with a wasp when I was on my motorcycle going down the highway to Todos Santos. Currently, right now, I'm in Mexico on the Baja, and I can tell you there's a lot of exotic bugs, and there's some kick-ass big wasps that are on the highway just waiting for unexpected, non-suspecting motorcycle drivers. Anyways, getting back to this is so many of the concerns that people have is getting themselves in front of the camera. And that's where I say how to make money on YouTube without making videos. I mean, that's a real big one. And people look at it and they say, well, you know, if I can just not get in front of the camera, everything will be fine. Now, 99% of the people do not have to get in front of the camera, especially if it's affiliate marketing. You know, the product will define itself, and especially if you have a product or a service. And once again, if you are getting a car loan, you don't want to see my face. You just want to see the application for the car loan, or if you're getting a mortgage, you just want to see in front of the mortgage. The real true cost is actually getting your product, service, or concept to the public. And it's a really tough one. And I noticed that when I was with, I was doing Shopify, and I would just spend a ton of money on advertising. And all my products that I actually was making money on went right back into advertising. It was like a boat. I was just shoveling the monies in. Now, there's a reason why Google Ads will give you a $100 bonus if you spend $25, because that extra $100 can go not marginally, it can go like in a moment. It's almost like I equivalent to going to a blackjack table where you put down $3 or $5 or $3 or $5. Next thing you know, you spend $100 and it doesn't even feel like it. That's Google, that's Bing, that's Facebook. It's amazing how incredibly easy it is. It's really like poker chips, and I don't really have to go through that. You really know, you know the game. They want you to spend money on clicks. Now, clicks aren't expensive, but start adding them up to 5,000 or 10,000 clicks, and all of a sudden, holy smokes, there's a ton of money that's being spent on in your wallet. Bing's no different. I mean, look at actually Bing costs. The actual CPCs are pretty expensive. Now I'm going to show you how you can do this and not have to do it as the way they show on the internet, where they say all you need is X amount of top 10 this, or you can have this, or meditation videos, or this. They have a lot of great ideas on how to make money without showing your face. I mean, that's great. And I was thinking, well, I mean, there's a ton of them that do that. But you know what? No one actually gets you the point to second base, where it's how do you get your people into getting your product. Now, this is where I'm going to show you with this program and this formula that Paul has, how you can actually get on the first page of Google, YouTube, and the Google carousel with as little as virtually no subscribers. I've got 11. I mean, you can check it out. It's Affiliate Tube Success Reviews. And you don't need to have 1,000. Okay, I'm going to back it up. If you're going to go to monetize videos and make a ton of money with monetized videos, I can share with you with AdSense, you got to have 1,000 followers or subscribers before you can actually, before Google and AdSense will even look at you. Then it's 30,000 likes and views before you can actually make $100. I'm going to show you how you don't have to do that. You can just go right to the first page with basically 11 subscribers, I'm going to show you right now how you can actually get to the first of ranking on Google, on YouTube, and in the video carousel. And I did it with no views in 1 minute with 11 subscribers. Like, how cool is that for a business that you don't have to spend a ton of money and you can rank literally immediately? It took me 2 weeks. I've been on this system now for about 2 months. And what I found was after about 10 days, I was ranking consistently first on Google, on YouTube, and in the Google carousel. Now you can see this happened in 2 minutes. Here's more examples where, basically in minutes, I was ranking number 1 on YouTube, on the Google carousel, and also in Google. Now, what the system that Paul has is if you put out certain videos, YouTube will actually look at you as a specialist in your niche, and they'll start giving you loving, and they'll start grouping your videos together. And you can see that on the right-hand side here, how I had just one Google search and all my videos are showing up. It's the same thing happened here. Oh, no, sorry, this, not so much. This is where I just basically ranked number 1 and 1, 1, and 1 again throughout. And, well, here, they'll start to group your videos together. And what's cool about it is you don't even have to have the same search. It just comes up. And if you could look at your business, whether it be affiliate marketing or concept marketing or a service or a product, you imagine having a stranglehold on the first page of YouTube, Google, and the Google carousel. I mean, what it would do for your business. I mean, and virtually no startup costs. It's pretty amazing, isn't it? I mean, I'm a little speechless because I'm Mr. Negative. If something can happen that can go wrong, it'll go wrong. And I've done a bunch of these things, promised the world, and nothing's happened. So what I did is I looked at this and I saw this link, like you're looking at this right now, and I thought, oh, okay, well, let's see what this guy says. He means promising the world. Let's see what he's going to say. So I hit the link, and this is what I came up with, and this is Paul. He talks about how I can get 100% free Google ads. And I thought, okay, now Mom always said, if it's too good to be true, chances are it's too good to be true. But I can promise you this, Paul completely puts his money where his mouth is. And everything he's done and everything he promises, he does. So I would strongly take a look at this, especially, with all these people losing their jobs and, wanting to start, because it's COVID, pandemic, and wanting to go on the internet. And more people are going internet because they're scared to death of belly-to-belly talking. And, a lot of people don't think about it and think it's a myth. But you know what? They're still not going to take a chance. So they're going to go on internet, and wherever they can actually go and stand off with people and buying products, they're going to do it. And it's showing in the statistics where 70% to 75% are now shopping online first. And they're first going to Google to source the product. Then they're going to YouTube to find out what the product does. And this is where Paul has unlocked the key and actually been able to get me on the first page of Google, YouTube, and the Google carousel. And if you follow his steps, it works. Well, thanks for watching my video today, and I hope you enjoyed it and found it of value. And as promised at the beginning of the video, I'm going to put the link in the screen and also in the description box there. And take a look at it, see if it makes sense. Take a look at it today or tomorrow and see if it makes sense and how you can actually keep your costs down when you're actually starting up your online business. Now, as always, please hit the like button, the subscribe button so you don't miss another video. Also, leave a message below. And a reminder again, always wear a helmet on the highway when you're using your motorcycle. We'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.